Yo, what's up guys, Zuuko here, and today I wanted to show you how you can set up your OBS. Let's get right into it. What's up guys, just a quick note, 75% of you aren't subscribed, so if you can just click on that subscribe button, it would mean a lot to me. Thanks in advance, see you later. So guys, today I will show you some basic stuff on OBS, including source management, scenes management and stuff like that. So be sure to like, subscribe and stuff like that, and let's jump straight into it. Let's go. Let's begin with this tutorial. So yeah guys, this is the basic tutorial. If you know some of this stuff, it doesn't matter. It's mainly for new people who never used OBS before. Let's jump straight to the point guys. Okay, so I will pull up my OBS. Don't mind this if you see like so many windows here, it's normal because we are showing this scene. So yeah guys, let me pull myself up to the right corner here for the sake of this video. So I have a couple of scenes, 5 or 7 of them. So first of all, when you download OBS and you have like nothing here, you just need to click on the plus button. Just click here and you can rename your scene. We can call it new scene, for example. Let's do it like that. So yeah guys, we made a new scene, but you cannot see anything. Let me just do something real fast. So you couldn't see anything because we had 0 sources. Sources show you everything. I will show you right now. So here what I did, I made a display capture. So how can we do that? We just simply go to this plus icon, click it, and we can see it here. Display capture. This one shows your monitor. You can like switch it. I have 3 monitors and I can switch from each one of them. So I usually use my main one, that's my like largest resolution one. So yeah, this is it for now. About sources, we will just go through some of them right now. And by the way guys, if you don't see your microphone here, you don't need to put audio input capture. I've used this before like 1 year ago or something, but I actually do not need it. You just go to the settings and go to audio. You need to put microphone auxiliary, what the fuck, audio. So you put your microphone here, just click apply, okay, and it will show here. For now you have a scene and you have a microphone. That's amazing for now. So guys, if you are using your webcam, I will now show you how you can implement it, and it is right over here. You just click on it. We can rename it like camera if you want, whatever. Click OK. Yeah, here I am. Hello guys, what's up? This webcam is like trash, like settings are terrible. So yeah, we can click OK, and here I am. By the way guys, I will now show you the thing called layering. So the thing about layering, look at the sources here. Think about it as a sandwich. The source that is above the other one will show on the screen. So look at this. If I pull my camera source beneath the display capture, you can see this. It will not show because it's below the display capture. So display capture needs to always be the bottom one. Whatever, if you have like a million sources, display capture should be at the bottom. As I said before, display capture captures our current monitor. You can use it for gaming and everything. You also have, let me show you something. You also have the game capture, but every time you want to play a new game, you need to do it. So I do not recommend this one. I'm streaming for like 2 years without it. I'm only using display capture. I don't know the difference. It works like a charm for me. Yeah, that's it for now. As you can see, my camera is like really squeezed. So if you wanna like enlarge it or something, just go to the camera, then straight go to resolution FPS type, just click custom. You can put your resolution here, just go with 9020 1080. That's the best one for me at least. So yeah guys, the camera is shit. Let me show you. We can lower it so I can show you some stuff. Let's put it up here. And guys, if you want to fix your camera because my current one is shit, look at it, you can do it like this. Click on camera, go configure video, and here you have as many options as you would like. Yeah, I mean the options depends on the camera. I had 4 cameras before and 2 of them had like different looking option panel, but it doesn't matter. We are really dark right now, like it's terrible. What do we need to do? We need to turn on the exposure up a bit. So as you see, if we turn it like this, I will be like, yeah, it's fucking shit. So I think 5 is the best number for me at least. It depends on your room and lighting and everything. By the way, if it's checked here any option that is checked, just turn it off. Yeah, it's fucking shit when it's turned on, so you can adjust it. Also, depending on your camera, maybe low light composition will do the work to you. It will be way better than without it, so experiment with this. The camera I had before this worked really well with low light composition, but this one is better without it, to be honest. Okay, so here we can adjust the brightness. This seems fine. So you have contrast, you can do this stuff. You can experiment with everything. These work fine for me, guys. So we hit apply, we hit OK, and that's it. We have our webcam. As you can see, it's way wider than before because we changed resolution. Like this, we can also stream, like just open the game that you want and that's it. But we want our stream to be as beautiful as possible. Oh yeah, guys, and by the way, if you have a microphone on your camera, just turn this off. We don't want to use it at all. And guys, if you want to resize your camera or put it somewhere else, you can do it like this. Just click on the camera and you will see what you selected. You can move the camera as much as you like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. We can put it here. I love to put it here. And you can like resize it like this. Just take this corner and resize it. If you fuck something up, you can click Ctrl Z and you will return it as it was before. Also, the thing I wanted to know when I was starting my streaming career, look at this. When I like pull this, it will snap. You see this? It will snap to the corners. It's so frustrating. If I wanted to do like something specific, I cannot do it because of the snapping. To fix this, you can just use Ctrl and drag it. See this? It's not snapping. I can put it like this if I want, you see? But if I do it without control, it snaps, see? By the way, guys, if your overlay size is less than your camera and you need it, imagine if it's like this, you know? And you need to readjust your camera. Just do this. Hold Alt, hold Alt and then drag it like this. Again, like this. Here you go. And for some people who like to stream like this, you can do it by holding Alt. And if you want to return it to its normal form, Ctrl Z. So yeah. So guys, let me show you. If I drag my OBS to my third monitor, it will show my current one that we made. So yeah, you can just go into any game you like. Let me open League of Legends, for example, and you will see it will pick up everything. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we can see the panel from League of Legends, and let's dive into the practice tool so I can show you that it works. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the game is working really good. Yeah, everything is fine, but look at this, guys. Guys, you cannot hear the game, but I can definitely hear it. So I will now show you how you can hear the game. We can go straight here again to our OBS. Just go to settings. It takes some time to open. We go to audio, and if your desktop audio is disabled like mine, I disable it for my own reason. I will show that in another clip. If it's disabled for you, you just go here and choose your headphones or whatever are you using. I have my speakers and I have my headphones, and if I click here, these are my headphones. Just hit apply. It will take some time and click OK. Here you go. We got our desktop audio. Now you can hear the game, right? Yeah. If you have some problems with audio, you can just click here on these three dots and go advanced audio properties. We have our three audios. Turn off the camera. It doesn't matter for us because never use camera, microphone, they suck as fuck. We have desktop audio, we have microphone. If you want, for example, to hear yourself here, you can click on monitor only, but I wouldn't recommend that. Why would you do that? Why would you listen to yourself while you're streaming or making videos or whatever? So monitor only means that only you can hear yourself. Monitor and output means that you and your audience can hear what you are saying, and monitor off means that only audience can hear what's going on. So be sure to make it like monitor off. You can put monitor and output in case you use some playlists for music, so you can hear it as well as, but that's the only time when you want to use monitor and output. Yep, that's it. Our game is working, everything is fine. Yeah, and this is like the basics of OBS. I will make some more videos about OBS and sources, scenes, transitions, overlays and everything. So yeah, be sure to hit that like button, guys, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are uploaded. Come to my stream. I'm streaming every day on this channel. But yeah, that will be it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this guide, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.